Well, hi everybody, this is Linda, and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today we're going to make a cake. It's a delicious cake, but it's simple. This is a pecan cherry pound cake, or a cherry pecan pound cake. And it's one that I've kind of formulated, and I hope we'll see how it turns out, okay? It starts with a box cake mix, and I used yellow cake mix. And already in the bowl I've got that cake mix. I have 1 cup of granulated white sugar and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add 6 eggs. You see how simple this is, right? 6 eggs. This is a 1/2 cup of butter that I melted, and a 1/2 cup of a light oil. I used canola. You can use whatever suits your fancy. I let the butter cool a bit. You don't want to cook your eggs, right? Alright, so it's a 1/2 cup of oil and a 1/2 cup of melted butter, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease and flour about a 14 cup bundt pan or tube pan. Alright, we got those out of the way. Now, I'm going to add a cup of sour cream. Is this a hard cake? Is this a hard cake to make? I don't think so. 1 cup. Now the eggs, anything that's cold, but I'll just say the eggs and the sour cream have got to be room temperature. And always use large or extra large eggs when you're baking. Never medium or small. Your dish won't come out right. Alright, that's 1 cup of sour cream. And I've got pecans and walnuts mixed because I had some pecans left over and the walnuts were a lot less expensive. So I'm using mostly walnuts, but some pecans. I've got one more ingredient, but I'm going to fold that in. Let's put this beating bar on here. And I'm going to let this beat about 5 minutes, and when it gets done, I'll bring it back. I'll bring you back and show it to you. And I told you, grease and flour your bundt or tube pan. Okay, we're back. While the camera was off, I added just a couple of tablespoons of buttermilk, whole buttermilk, because I thought it would enrich the flavor a little bit. And now I'm going to add, now these are dried cherries. I dusted them with flour, hoping that they won't go through the cake. Here's the pack. 5-ounce bag of dried cherries. It looks to be about a cup. Might be a little over, but if it is, it's not going to hurt anything. So, hopefully you've got your oven preheated. I've sprayed I'm using a tube pan. I prefer those because they're easier to clean. Okay, I'm going to mix these cherries in. I'm going to put it in my tube pan. I'm going to put it in the preheated 350 degree oven. And it's going to bake anywhere from 50 to 60 minutes. So, when that happens, we'll be back. Hi guys, we're back. It took my cake 60 minutes. It came out perfect. I couldn't ask for, a cleaner tube pan because it just slid right out. And I cut Sam a little piece. It's very moist, I can tell you that. I had a little taste. It's got a lot of walnut flavor to it and a little bit of the pecan, because there was probably about a quarter of a cup of pecans in there. And it's very tasty. I was going to make an orange glaze and decided not to. That can be done later and just poured over each piece. But let's see how Sam likes it.
Well, I'm sure
Let me get around here.
Got a little ice cream here. Like you said, it's very moist. Get a little bit of crunch from the outside. Texture's great. You
like it?
Yeah, I think all the ones you made, this is a great one, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. I like the texture of this one. And you get a little bit of crunch from that outside. Very, very good. The nuts are good. Can't beat it.
All right. You got anything else to say?
Goes good with ice cream also. Well, this father saw his little 5-year-old daughter out in the backyard brushing the dog's teeth. So he went out there. He said, "Honey, what are you doing? What in the world are you doing?" He said, "I'm brushing Duke's teeth." She said, "But don't worry, Daddy, I'll put your toothbrush back like I always do."
That's cute, Sam.
Yeah.
Thank you all for coming in and spending part of your day with me. Welcome to all my new subs and my older subs. I appreciate you. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, you all take care and God bless every one of you.